How to tune your home feed on Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner. From the given list, click on Settings. And once you're here, from the Account Information section, click on Home Feed Tuner. And here you will be able to tune your home feed. As you can see, it tells you that your home feed is based on your boards, topics, browsing history, and the creator profiles you follow, which all you can find right here, these tabs. And it tells you to edit your preferences to improve your feed. So say for example you have some topics that are added, you can remove some of them and add other topics, for example. And also your history, the pictures and videos that you liked, you can turn them off, so the recommendation will be disabled for this type of content. And you can do the same for profiles and boards and etc. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn and customize your Pinterest home feed. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.